Alright, hi people, it's Chase here, and I'm here to do another unboxing for you guys today of Fairy Tale Collection 7. And it has episodes 143 to 264. It's a Blu-ray DVD combo pack. Yeah. Collection 8 should be out within a couple months. So yeah. So here's the other side, and the back description of the set. Extras include episode commentaries, Fairy Tale feud with Todd Hapercorn and Newton Pittman, Being Lucy with Jeremy Lay, Texas songs and trailers. DVD has 22 episodes on 4 DVDs, English 5.1 surround, a Japanese stereo, English subtitles, Region 1, 16:9. The Blu-ray, again, 22 episodes on 4 Blu-ray discs. Region A, videos in 1080p HD, 16:9 HD native, audio, Dolby True HD, English 5.1, Dolby True HD, Japanese 2.0, with subtitles in English, and the special features are in 1080p HD, 16:9 HD native, with Dolby True HD, English 2.0, and Japanese 2.0, and subtitles in English. So yeah, that's 550 minutes and TV 14. So yeah. So, yeah, there's my phone if you heard that. Here's the case with the same stuff on the outside. Again, sort of reversible cover on the inside. Disc 1 of the DVDs. Disc 2 or 25, 26, 27, 28, and then the Blu-rays 25, 26, 27, and 28, and then the version of the cover right there, and the episode lists, or list for this. So yeah, so that's basically it. Yeah, so links in the description, all my shit. Subscribe if you want, and I'll see you guys in the next one.